In the heart of the waning British Empire, 1997 marked a turning point for Hong Kong, a territory that had been under British rule for 156 years. The clock was ticking as China and the United Kingdom approached the end of the 99-year lease that had been established by the Treaty of Nanking in 1842. For decades, tensions between the two nations simmered, with China yearning for reunification, and the British government reluctant to relinquish its control over this thriving commercial hub. The atmosphere was thick with uncertainty, as both sides prepared for the impending change. In the shadows, Hong Kong citizens, a blend of Chinese and British cultures, braced themselves for the unknown. Their lives were about to be forever altered, as the British flag that had flown over the city since 1841 was set to be replaced by the flag of the People's Republic of China. The moment of the handover arrived on June 30, 1997. Amidst the pomp and ceremony, the Union Jack was lowered, and the Hong Kong flag, a symbol of its unique status as a special administrative region, was raised. The torch had been passed, and a new era was about to begin. However, the handover was not without its controversies. The Sino-British Joint Declaration, signed in 1984, guaranteed the preservation of Hong Kong's way of life for 50 years, known as the Basic Law. Yet, concerns lingered about whether China would honor this agreement, leading to a sense of unease among the population. In the years following the handover, Hong Kong flourished, maintaining its status as a global financial hub. Yet, the spirit of its people, a delicate balance of East and West, remained a constant reminder of the historic event that had forever changed their lives. The handover of Hong Kong in 1997 was a poignant moment in history, marking the end of a colonial era and the beginning of a new chapter for this dynamic city. Despite the uncertainties and challenges that lay ahead, the resilience of its people ensured that Hong Kong would continue to shine as a beacon of economic prosperity and cultural diversity.